Hello there, YouTube, and this is Lucas Eagle back from a hiatus with a new purchase, the iPhone XR. And this will be the last video shot on my LG G6, which right now looks pretty muddied, so I'll be really happy for this upgrade. Alright, now I have already unboxed it in the store because I had to make sure it would work with my carrier Cricket. They don't currently have an unlocked version, but technically all of them are unlocked. First things first, I got the Product Red Edition, which is pretty cool. They aren't red, but you do get the Apple stickers, SIM card, eject tool, quick start guide, and the phone itself. In all its red glory. I'm gonna do a Face ID setup. Give me 1 second to come on. Take my face. There it goes. The iPhone XR. Now, these bezels. That's what everyone's talking about, the screen.
Go into settings so they can see it in white.
Yeah, I guess, yeah, that's kind of true. It's not that bad. I'm actually really surprised. They did a good job. And I'm kind of lost for words, honestly.
It's just so freaking pretty.
So beautiful. And I was thinking about it for a long time.
How long?
And, gosh, way too long.
How long?
Probably since the announcement. Every day trying to find some more videos on it, you know. I'm still loading on all my apps. I'm going to treat you guys, because this was just a quick unboxing. I'll show you what else you get in the bag. I mean the box. Get your charging brick, which unfortunately is not fast charging, which I'm sure you're aware of. Your Apple EarPods. And a charging cable. And I also got the... It's not included in the box. Lightning to headphone jack adapter. Now I do realize after purchasing it that it wasn't really necessary because I forgot it comes with earpods in the box, and I'm getting a Bluetooth set Monday, literally Monday. So, but I have it if I need it, and yeah, if I could maybe, I don't know. It wasn't that much. It was like $9 extra. When you consider this, this is the 128 gigabyte edition, which was $800, like $850 with tax, and yeah, it's running great on Cricket. I'm really loving it, and join the iPhone gang.
McDonald's subtitle. I'm loving
Oh, I put it in front of my face. There we go. Face ID is really cool. I thought I would miss a fingerprint sensor, but I don't at all. It's buttery smooth and amazing. And yeah, so I will save my impressions for the full review coming out soon. So far battery life's really good. Signal is so much better than the G6. It's crazy. And I will leave you with a little bit of the what everyone loves.
You put the flash on.
I mean, might look better with... There it goes. Now that actually does look a lot better.
You're welcome. Shalom. Are you gonna peel the front?
I will peel the front once I do the screen protector.
Are you gonna do it?
I'm gonna keep my baby safe, yeah. That's gonna require 2 hands, so I am gonna sign off and enjoy. Wait, you want me to... I'm not gonna show putting on the screen protector. But yeah, that's the iPhone XR. And, or XR. Whatever you wanna call it. And, yeah, it's really late. It's like really late. And yeah, I'm just really excited to get this phone unboxed. So see you guys around.